Consider these the ultimate couch cushion fort upgrade, so you don't have to take apart your entire couch anymore. I'm Sarah with WTI, and these soft climbing blocks from BlueWood give kids their own building pieces for forts, obstacle courses, cozy spaces, and creative play. So they arrive compression packed, so just give them some time to fully expand after you open them. The individual pieces can be arranged in so many different layouts and combinations, giving kids the ability to create a new setup every time they play. So my 3-year-old grandson was able to move these lightweight blocks around all by himself, and he found endless ways to climb, build, crawl, balance, and play. Now they do come with some Velcro pieces so that you can hold them together if you want to. And they also have strong zippers on each one, but you can easily remove the covers if you need to. I especially like that this is more than a single-purpose toy because it encourages movement, creativity, problem solving, and imaginative play. So kids can enjoy it from their crawling stage and up, finding new ways to use it as they grow. And that's my point of view.